All right. Go.
Yes. Let me shock you people.
Yeah, Madam Shock.
Yes, with the latest gist in town. Do you know that my guy?
Your guy, so tell us which one.
That my guy now. Ofuja name of float.
Down to flow.
Yes, in this town. He's in town. Hey, you don't know the guy? Will you know?
You be mumu.
So I would like you guys to escort me to see him.
Wow!
Ofuji, let's see. Teach me work now.
I told you that I will teach you work, but don't be rush.
Why you there? I don't pay.
Don't rush me, okay? I will teach you work, but
I'm bagging up work.
I don't know where.
Who's the name of family panel?
Don't worry. Johnny, I will take you to your restaurant, America. I will teach you work. You don't know me. Yo, brother, I got your back.
I believe you.
I got your back.
Wow. I know. You know my staff.
Wow.
You know my staff.
You have your experience.
That's
my guy. No, that was you one.
Continue.
I want to flex my love. I want to impress. And I want to carry my love away to a place she loves. I'm a man. I want to.
Forget this way like this. Boy, forget this way like this, guy. Just blow me 10,000 naira. Blow me 10,000 naira, I'll pay you back. Oh.
somebody that is from London.
Oh shit. Do that important.
Oh, let us push it on.
The guy.
But you should not.
Can you just borrow this money or not?
One condition.
The condition. Say it, bro. Say it out.
That your thing.
Yeah.
One of the days.
Yeah. Nigga, it's all yours, nigga. It's all yours, nigga. You can take it. Yeah, it's all yours. Yeah, that's money.
To carry my love away to a place she loves. I'm a man. I want to impress.
Exclusive.